சவுத் ஆப்பிரிக்காவில் அவர் ரயிலில் போயிட்டு இருக்கும் பொழுது ஒரு கம்பார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் டிக்கெட் வாங்கியிருந்தார். அங்கே வெள்ளைக்காரன் 2 பேர் உட்காந்துருந்தான் சவுத் ஆப்பிரிக்கா. மகாத்மா காந்தி அவரும் கோட்டு சூட்டெல்லாம் போட்டிருந்தார், பாரத்லா. ஆனால் கொஞ்சம் கலர் கருப்பு. எங்கடா உள்ளே வந்தேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு he was kicked out of the train. The next platform he was kicked out. He took a vow. Karamchand Gandhi, he took a vow, you white fellows, you are kicking me out of this train, I shall kick you out of my country. He took a vow in his mind. He came back to India. He went on ahimsa and satyagraha, and he went on collecting people. He went on a Uppu satyagraha. He marched with 550 people, 500 people, 5 lakhs of people, and the white fellow had to quit India. He knew the purpose of his life. The purpose of life. எல்லாத்துக்கும் உங்கள் மனசில் இப்போ இந்த கேள்வி, பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் லைஃப், கடவுள் நம்மளை எதுக்கு இந்த பூலோகத்துக்கு அனுப்புனாரு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு 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 கேள்வி உங்கள் மனசில் வரணும். பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் லைஃப். மகாத்மா காந்தி knew the purpose of life. Mother Teresa knew the purpose of life. Vivekananda knew the purpose of life. He wanted India to be a very strong India. Mother Teresa found in the streets of Calcutta poorest of the poor. She threw her school bag where she was teaching in a convent, and she said, I will clean the wounds of these poor people. I shall feed them. I will go on doing it day after day. Lots of sisters joined in her, and she went on doing it, and she became a Saint Teresa after so many years. She could speak to Bill Clinton on the telephone, the most powerful super cop of the world. She could call him and talk to him on the telephone. What did she do? She cared for the poor people. She knew the purpose of life. But Bill Clinton did not understand the purpose of life. He was the super cop. He had a beautiful wife, but he converted the Oval Office into an oral office. Many of you may not understand what I'm saying is, a discretionary power was not there in his mind. The wealth of the country, the strength of the world was not prime in his mind. He was willing to sacrifice his name. He was about to be thrown out of the president's job. Please understand, every one of us has a purpose of life having come into this world. When a cow can have a purpose, Go Mata has a purpose. The milk which is given by the mother cow is not for her own calf. It is given to hundreds of people outside her family. A tree, mango tree, can understand the purpose of life. It is there genetically. The tree will drink dirty water and sometimes rain water and give you Malgova mango. It will give you thousands of mangoes. It doesn't ask whether you belong to scheduled caste, whether you belong to a forward caste. A rich man or a poor man, it gives you the same sweetest mango. Same way, a lily flower, a rose flower, it gives you happiness. A butterfly gives you happiness. An ant will give you a teacher. Ant is the best teacher. It tells you how hard work is required for you to save for a rainy day. Why don't you learn from an ant? Why don't you learn from the sun god? It works 12 hours a day. How many of you work for 12 hours a day? How many of you work at 5 o'clock in the morning? How many of you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning? Whether you are a lion, whether you are a rabbit, whether you are a deer, somewhere in the jungles of Africa, when the sun rises up, the deer has to run, because it has to run faster than the fastest lion, otherwise it will be killed. Hard work is very essential. You have to run. Somewhere in the same jungles of Africa, in the shores of Amazon, the lion wakes up at 6 o'clock. It has to start running. It has to run faster than the fastest deer, otherwise it will be killed by hunger. Whether you are a lion or a deer, you better start running when the sun rises. How many of you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning? Please raise your hands. 45 people, sir. Out of 1,500 people, 45 people. Brahma Muhurtam is the time at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You ask the Swamijis, all their schools, they wake up at 4 o'clock, have a bath with cold water. They start reading their lessons at 5 o'clock. Listen to me, don't talk to yourself. Between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock, whatever you learn, it will stay in your brain for long number of hours. long number of days, long number of years. 4 o'clock is the time you get up tomorrow morning. Don't close your face with your bedsheet. 4 o'clock in the morning. Go to sleep at 9, 9:30 in the evening, doesn't matter. 4 o'clock is Brahma Muhurtam. The great country of America, the land of invention, they identified theft is increasing in America. Most of the malls, you go to Sears or Kmart, there is theft. There is theft in the malls. So they wanted to invent a thief catching machine. திருடனை பிடிக்கிற மிஷின் ஒன்று கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க அமெரிக்கா. சிகாகோ நகரத்தில் கண்டுபிடிச்சு கொண்டு போய் பார்த்தோம்னா புரோட்டோடைப். இட் காட் ஹோல்ட் ஆஃப் 40 thieves in 1 hour. 1 மணி நேரத்தில் 40 திருடர்களை பிடிச்சது. நம்ம எலி பிடிக்கிற மிஷின் மாதிரி. அது கொண்டு போய் நியூயார்க்கில் வச்ச உடனே எவ்ரிபடி ஹேட் அ வெரி வெல்கம். ஹி வாண்டட் டு மார்க்கெட் இட் அக்ராஸ் த வேர்ல்ட். He brought it to London. In 1 hour it caught hold of 50 thieves. He took it to Nigeria. The same thief catching machine caught hold of 2,000 thieves. They brought it to Bombay. The machine was stolen in 5 minutes. The machine was stolen. The dharma, the greater human values is fast disappearing. The truth and the truth will triumph. Discipline, love, all these things are not being taught. Sir, where are all the role models? You need to have role models in this country. We have had role models, wrong role models. Some of the chief ministers of various states are showing the wrong role models. I don't want to name them because it's very unfair for me to name them. We need to have role models like APJ Abdul Kalam. We need to have role models like Manmohan Singh in every institution. Every institution of higher learning, some teachers must become role models. If you don't have a role model, how will they do what I say? It is forgotten, do what I say. If I say do what I do, then it is remembered. Do what I do. Role models. It's very essential that we create role models. Without role models, this country has no future. From a paper boy to a president of India, from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan. How did this boy, young Muslim boy, come up? Because of his teachers. He says if this country has to become a powerful country, this country should have powerful youth. You are all the future of India. How do we get the powerful youth without a moral character? The idea what happens in your mind must be very carefully observed. Mind the mind. You mind your mind. Mind you, அப்படின்னா you must think about என்ன நம்ம மனசு என்ன நினைக்குது அப்படின்னு கொஞ்ச நேரம் யோசனை பண்ணும். மனசு விட்டா என்னென்னமோ நினைக்கும். கசமுசான்னு நினைக்கும். டிவியில் பார்த்ததெல்லாம் நினைக்கும். ரோட்டில் போகிறது நினைக்கும். சாப்பிடலாம்னு நினைக்கும். ஓடலாம்னு நினைக்கும். டான்ஸ் ஆடலாம்னு நினைக்கும். கட்டி பிடிக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கும் சம்டைம்ஸ். ஏன்னா கட்டிப்பிடின்னு பேப்பரில் இதில் போடுறானே, சினிமாவில் போடுறானே, பாட்டு போடுறானே, அதெல்லாம் கேட்காத பசங்க தான் இங்கே வந்திருக்காங்க. அதான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். TV can be educative. Television can be educative provided you see what you have to see. Like a Discovery Channel, like a BBC, like an Animal Planet. If you see ordinary movies and some of the mega serials, your mind gets corrupted. You have to mind your mind. You are measured by your mind, not by your height. I saw in the Dinatandi paper yesterday a man was 8 feet tall. 8 feet tall. So what? What does it matter? Somebody has 300 crores. What does it matter? Somebody has a Rolls Royce car or a Mercedes Benz car. What does it matter to me?